Welcome back to Preyo Promo. In today's video, I'll show you how to create or change your Facebook username step by step. This will help you log in easily and make your profile more professional. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your device. Step 2. Search for fb.com and log into your account. Step 3. Click on your profile icon. Step 4. Press Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings again. Step 5. Tap on Meta Account Center. Step 6. Click on Profile and select your Facebook account. Step 7. Press on Username. Step 8. Write your desired username, then tap Done to save changes. Now you can log in using your username and share your profile link easily. Thanks for watching this tutorial on Preyo Promo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple and professional tech guides. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.